Hi, my name is Melissa Tennyson and I will be your sticker designer today. I live in McMinnville, Oregon with my husband and our 13-month-old son. I started this business as a way to be able to stay home, to spend more time with my family while still bringing an income into our home. What started as a small Etsy shop is now grown to a very large following on social media. I was so excited when Amy reached out to me to let me know how successful her sticker program was with her students and to let me know that the school wanted to do the same. Amy and I collaborated on a design and we sent a couple of ideas back and forth, and here is what I came up with. We wanted to focus on the nautical theme with the ship wheel as well as the rose compass, and I incorporated some waves in the background as well. We have two different options for you to choose from. There's a traditional as well as a vibrant option. The traditional uses the school's colors, gray and blue, and the vibrant option involves a rainbow, which is really fun for the kids. I gave you the option of 2-inch stickers or 3-inch stickers. I have a very large following on social media, and when I ask them what size stickers they prefer, it's pretty split down the middle, but 2-inch are absolutely my best sellers. They're small enough to fit in a variety of places, and they're small to go onto a cell phone as well. That's one of the most popular places kids like to put stickers. These stickers are printed on a high quality weatherproof matte base, and I use a matte laminate over the top. That helps to seal in the ink, protect it from UV rays, and it makes it water resistant and weatherproof. They will last a very long time. I had so much fun working with Amy to come up with these sticker designs. I hope you enjoy them as well. I really appreciate the opportunity that you are giving me in presenting my sticker designs to you. I hope you enjoy them, and I can't wait to see which one you like the most.